Hello guys, this is Parth. You are watching Cyberlife. So in this video, I am going to tell how you can decrease your RAM usage easily. So let's get started.
It's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush.
So first of all, you have to open your browser. I will provide a link of a tool which is in the description. So click on the link in the description on your browser. So guys, I had provided a link of a tool in the description which will help us to optimize the RAM. So you have to click on the link as I am pasting the link here. So pasting the link here and pressing enter. So you can see a page like this come, and you have to download cyber.life.tools.reducememory.file. So it is a zip file, so you have to click on download, and you can see the download is starting, and it will ask where to save. I will save on desktop and click on save. So you can see the file has started downloading. So the file has downloaded. So I will meet you on desktop. So as you can see, I have downloaded the file here, the zip file here. So I will extract this file on on desktop. So I will click on extract to Cyberlife, and it will ask for password. So you have to write the password is Cyberlife. All the alphabets are in small. You can see the password is here. I will click on OK, and as you can see, the file is extracted here, and we will get a folder with the same name of the zip file. So you have to open this folder, and you will get the same folder. Inside this, you have to open again this folder, and you will find three applications. So this is the configuration file. You don't have to edit this. You have to open this file, and when you will open this, a small page will appear. You have to close File Explorer, and you can see a reduce memory tool is appearing on the desktop. And you can see my total RAM is 10 GB, and my using memory is 2.7 GB, and free memory is 7.3 GB. So this tool helps us to optimize the RAM, to decrease the RAM usage. And when I will click on optimize, so you can see 215 MB recovered. So it will recover my RAM and decrease my RAM usage easily. Or you have to save it to automatic process, then you have to go to options, and you have to set the settings as I am doing here. So you have to click on here, automatically start at Windows startup. This should be ticked. Then you have to don't have to tick this one, hide Windows on startup, and you have to tick on this, minimize on the system Windows 10, and you have to also click on this, always show program Windows on top. Except this option, you have to allow all three options, and you can select any icon. Like I've selected this one because I like this one. You can select like this and this and this. This icon will appear here on your taskbar, and you have to, I will selecting this one. So this is the option. Then you have to select this option also, set threes hold to auto optimize RAM, because it will automatically optimize the RAM. This is the very good function I like on this tool, because it will automatically optimize your RAM. So you have to select 40% here. You have to select 40%. You don't have to go above 40%. You have to stay till 40%, or you can decrease this. I will set it to 40%, and you can see here 40%, and you have to set the second time interval to 5 seconds here. So you can see the I have to select this one. You have to can see my if the amount of memory usage exceed is this is 40%. When my RAM will exceed above 40%, then it will automatically start optimizing my RAM, and second interval is 5. After every 5 seconds, it will automatically optimize my RAM. So you have to click on apply option to apply this setting, and you have to close this. So now you can see I have started that tool, and you can see the tool is appearing on my taskbar here, and you can see the icon is here. So it will saying that physical memory usage is 23%. So when my physical memory usage goes up to 23%, then it will automatically optimize my RAM. So you can see I will click on this, and you can click on optimize manually, and if you have to do automatically, then you have to wait when your RAM will go above 40%. My RAM is 23%. You can see memory usage 20. When it will go above 40%, it will automatically start optimizing. So if you enjoyed this video, then hit the like button and press the subscribe button for new videos, and thanks for watching.